Are you looking to make a decadent holiday dessert inspired by beef? Then look no further than our beef tallow chocolate tortes with bourbon-salted caramel sauce. First, we're going to start out by melting beef tallow in a small saucepan with a bag of bittersweet chocolate. Once your chocolate and beef tallow have melted together and are a nice even consistency, we'll go ahead and add some vanilla and some spiced cinnamon cream rum. Okay, we're gonna let that mixture cool for about 10 minutes, and while that's happening, we're gonna move over to the stand mixer and mix together our eggs and sugar. Next in the stand mixer goes a half a cup of sugar and 4 eggs. We're gonna whisk this together on medium-high speed for 5 to 7 minutes or until frothy. Lower the speed, and then we are gonna slowly add our chocolate sauce to the mixture. Now we are going to divide our batter evenly into some greased silicone molds. You can also use a springform pan. If you don't have the molds, just adjust the cooking time accordingly. Now that we've got them panned up, we're gonna throw them in the preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes or until the cake no longer jiggles. While our tortes are baking in the oven, we're gonna go ahead and create our caramel bourbon sauce. We're gonna start by warming our skillet up to medium heat and adding a cup of sugar. We are gonna toast our sugar until it browns. Careful not to burn it. As your sugar starts to brown, you wanna continuously stir for about 5 to 7 minutes until all of the sugar is dissolved. Now that our sugar is dissolved, we are slowly going to add in our heavy cream, bourbon, and salt. It is normal for it to bubble and spit. Lower the heat and cook an additional 10 minutes until sauce is smooth and thick. The sauce will thicken as it cools. Now we've done the hard part of letting our cakes cool, flipped them out into a pan, and we have them ready to top with our sauce. And then we are going to garnish with some flaky sea salt, and they are ready to enjoy. This would be a great addition to any holiday party. For this recipe and more, visit ohiobeef.org.